Washington County, Utah is still among the fastest growing in the nation, with job growth in construction, manufacturing, and hospitality.
Washington County has been growing very quickly over time. It has a 3.6 employment growth rate, which is about 3 times faster than state and national growth, which were about 1% over the year. And so Washington County has seen really strong growth. So some of the fastest growing ones would be construction. That's seen a lot of growth. There's a lot of growth in the leisure and hospitality industry, which is also a really large employer. And manufacturing is one of the larger employers as well.
Because Utah has such a diverse economy, it's also more resilient. Utah has among the lowest unemployment rates in the nation.
Utah has a really low unemployment rate. It's at 3.2%, which is definitely in the lower half of states in the nation and is quite a bit lower than the national unemployment, which is at 4.1%. Interestingly, our neighbor Nevada has one of the highest rates at 5.8%.
Despite federal job layoffs nationwide, Utah has been spared from most of those dismissals.
Definitely something that we're aware of and keeping an eye on, but overall it does not have a large impact on the Utah economy. There are about 41,000 federal employees in the state, and over half of those are at Hill Air Force Base, which has not seen any cuts over the year. And the remaining half has also not seen any overall cuts. So overall job growth in federal employment is growing up, and there's only been 245 unemployment claims in the past month for federal employees. So overall, the economy has not been impacted.
For those who have been impacted, there are services available. Workforce Services of Utah has various resources available for job searches, job training, and unemployment insurance benefits.
There are a lot of really good resources at the department. There are resources to help people find new jobs, to access job postings, to update a resume or create a resume for the first time. There are also unemployment insurance benefits where people who have been laid off or who are unemployed can access that monetary help for a period of time. And there are training and educational opportunities as well that the Department of Workforce Services provides.
While there are no demographics available for ages of those unemployed, those who are laid off can apply for benefits up to 6 months.
So unemployment benefits can last for up to 26 weeks. I think there's about 35,000 job postings currently on our website, and people can apply there, and they can work with an employment counselor to be prepared to apply. And they are welcome to look other places as well to apply for different jobs.
In Washington County, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.